Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 403 to an Android device. Begin by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to set it up. In order to do that, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, you can tap on wherever you want to in Don't Miss New Updates pop-up. I will go with Not Now on TCL and choose OK to close it. Lastly, select Close in white pop-up at the top, and to get rid of Personalizations one, hit History at the bottom. Now decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience by tapping on one of those options. And then, wherever you decided, tap on Close this window at the bottom. Finally, you can tap on Receive next to History on an Android and Send at the bottom left corner of TCL. Also, on TCL, use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, you need to tap on Allow. When you're ready, select Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Then to connect, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!